This is probably done for a few reasons. One being the chicks will not occupy the parent's territory. Hence, competition for food is avoided. And another might be that deeper in the forest, it may provide better protection. Once they go in deeper, it will be very difficult to track them down. Next morning, I watch from the guards as a Malabar pied hornbill preens. I decide to track the parents and chicks deeper into the forest. That's 1, 2, 3, and that's the last one, the 4th chick.